Hi sir, good day. I am Luigi C. Minosa and welcome to my presentation. Today, I will be explaining a C program that simulates a simple binary networking system. This program allows us to add a founder, recruit new members, display downlines, show the entire network tree, check commissions, and display a member's sponsor. I will walk you through how the program runs, show the sample output screenshots, and then explain the code behind it, including main.c, member.c, and member.h. Now let's begin. But let's talk about what is menu-driven program first. A menu-driven program is a program that displays a list of choices or a menu, waits for the user to pick an option, and then performs the action for that option. So basically, it allows users to choose what their program should do by selecting options from a menu. Now let's start breaking the codes and explain how it works. Now let's take a look at the member.h file. This file serves as the header or the blueprint of our program. It doesn't contain the actual logic yet, but it defines the structures and functions that the entire system will use. At the very top, we have the lines hashtag FNDEF, member underscore H underscore included, and hashtag define member underscore H underscore included. These are called header guards. Next, we have the definition of the member structure. This is the template for every person in our network. Inside it, we store the following information: ID, name, pointers to the left and right downlines, sponsor, and commission. After that, we have the network structure. This acts as a container for the organization. It contains three important parts: the root, index, and count. Lastly, the file lists of all function prototypes. These are the declarations that tell the program what function exists, even before they are defined in member.c. This allows other files like main.c use them. In this part of the video, I will only explain the countdown lines, since the rest functions are all in the main. So this function is important because it helps calculate the total number of downlines for a member, which is used for computing commissions. Now let's move on to the main, or the program flow. First, the program includes the necessary libraries such as stdio, stdlib, string.h, and also our custom header file called member.h. Inside member.h, we have all the structures and functions prototypes needed for members, commissions, searching, and managing the network. Then inside the main function, we create a network variable called net, and we call init network to initialize everything before the program starts. The whole program runs inside a while loop that displays a menu. It continues running until the user chooses option 7 to exit. The user can pick an option by entering a number, and the program reacts depending on the choice. The options are option 1, add founder; option 2, recruit members; option 3, list downlines; option 4, displays network; option 5, check commission of a member; option 6, show sponsor of a member; option 7, exit. I'll explain the functions used in the code. First is init network. This function initializes the entire network structure. It sets the root to null and prepares the index so that we can start adding members. Next is create member. This function creates a new member node. It takes the ID and name. The add to index function stores each member into a searchable index. This allows us to quickly find members later using their ID. The add member function handles the recruitment of a new member. The update commission function updates the commission of a member. Then find by ID function searches for a member using their ID. Then less downlines function displays all the direct downlines under a specific member. Then print network function prints the entire network tree. Then finally, free network is used before the program ends. It frees all the memory that was allocated for every member. Now let's move on to the output of the program. Here, you see the first step, adding the founder, which is I choose option 1. The program asks for founder ID and founder name. In this example, I entered 1212 and Luigi Minoza. After entering this, the program confirms that the founder was added. The founder becomes the root of the network tree. Next, I selected option 2, recruit member. The program asks for sponsor ID, new member ID, and new member name. Here, the sponsor ID is 1212 and the new member ID is 1100, named Adam Humawas. The program checks if the sponsor exists, if the sponsor is still available downlines, if the number ID already exists. Because everything is valid, the program outputs member recruited successfully. When I selected option 3, the program asked for a member ID. I entered 1100, and since Adam does not have recruits yet, the program shows left empty, right empty. Option 4 displays the entire network. It prints the structure like a tree. The founder at the top, new members below them, each level indented, each member's commission displayed. With option 5, the program calculates commission based on this rule. Every 2 downlines equals 5,500 pesos commission. If a member has a 0 or 1 downlines, the commission remains 0. In option 6, if you type a member ID, the program displays their sponsor. In this example, it shows that Adam Humawas or ID 1100 was recruited by Luigi Menuza or ID 1212. Finally, selecting option 7, freeze all memory and exit the program. That's all for today, sir. Thank you for listening, and to God be the glory.